If you're moving to or from Kenya, Three Movers has you covered. We understand that international moving can be extremely daunting and stressful, but when you hire our professional team, you can rest assured that making the big move will be a breeze. Three Movers not only helps you with the packing and unpacking, but we're there every step of the way. Arranging the logistics for an international move is complicated, but when you let Three Movers handle your relocation, we take care of everything for you, making the entire process easier and faster. We offer full insurance coverage so you don't have to worry about your belongings being stolen or broken. We can even help get your car, truck, RV, boat, and heavy equipment to or from Kenya. If you're just curious about what the cost will be, there are 2 ways to receive a free quote from us. All you have to do is give us a call at 888-908-6496, and one of our friendly staff will be glad to help. Our phone lines are open 24/7. Or visit our website, threemovers.com. Fill out the form online, and we'll get back to you in a flash.